Hello everyone! Ipapakita ko sa inyo ang isa pa sa ating multipurpose hall and swimming pool dito sa Lancaster, New City. Dito lang to sa may Zone 1 katapat ng Manchester Phase 4, katabi ng St. Edward School, Hope Campus, kaya tinawag din siyang LNC Hope Grounds. Yang nakikita nyo sa likod ng mga puno na covered court, yan yung court ng St. Edward. Ito naman yung ating pool. Pwede nyo siyang i-rent, tapos free na rin yung mga table and chairs dyan. Meron na rin ditong restroom and shower area. Ito naman yung ating multipurpose hall. Dito mismo itatayo ang ating Westwind at Lancaster, New City na condominium. Kaya ang ganda ng property investment na to. Kasi nasa pre-selling pa siya, pero existing na ang community, kaya mabilis tumaas yung value. Nandito pala kami ngayon to attend the training ng Advanced Salesmanship focusing on personal branding and communication to serve our clients better. Kaya if you're looking for a low-risk, high-return investment, message us and we are more than willing to assist you. Thank you for watching. Follow for more!